Hi students, let us see some more problems of the ratio. Look at that first question. Solution. Divide 99 into 3 parts in the ratio 2:4:5. What is the given ratio here? 2:4:5. First, let me tell you the procedure. Sum of the numbers in the ratio. First find out the sum of terms in the ratio. Sum of terms in the ratio. Sum of terms in the ratio. That means we have to add all these terms. 2 plus 4 plus 5. How much you will get? 6 plus 5, 11. Right? Now I am going to divide this 99 into 3 parts. First part I am taking. First part is equal to, you do one thing. What is the first number of the given ratio? 2 by total how many parts we have? 11 into which number you have to divide into 3 parts? 99. So if you simplify this, we will get first part. So 11 ones, 11 nines. So 9 twos are 18. So that is first part. Next one, second part. What is the second term in the ratio? 4 upon total parts 11 into 99. That will not change. Only first number will be changing here. Remember that. So 11 ones, 11 nines. So 9 fours are 36. Third part is equal to, what is the third term in the ratio? 5 by 11 into 99. So 9 fives are 45. Therefore required parts are required parts are 18, 36 and 45. Together how much you will get? Together this one plus this one plus this one we will get 99. You can check it. Okay. So what is the procedure here? First what should you do? Given ratio is 2:4:5. First find out sum of the given terms in the given ratio. That means 2 plus 4 plus 5. I got 11. So to find the first part, what is the first number in the given ratio? 2 by total parts how many? 11 into what should you do? 99. So 11 ones, 11 nines. So 9 twos are 18. Second part how do you get? What is the second term in the ratio? 4 by 11 into 99, 36. Third part means what is the third number in the ratio? 5 by 11 into 99. 5 nines are 45. So what are the required parts? This. Same procedure, all these problems. So let me explain. It will be easy for you. Okay? Second question I will see. What is the second problem? Look at. Second solution. What is the given ratio here? 2 1 by 3 is to 3 1 by 4. So 3 twos are 6 plus 1. 7 by 3 is to 4 threes are 12 plus 1. 13 by 4. So actually we are given here mixed fractions. I changed them into improper fractions. How? 3 twos are 6 plus 1. 7 upon 3. 3 fours are 12 plus 1. 13 upon 4. First we have to simplify this ratio. Right? What did I tell you how to simplify this? Take the LCM of 3 and 4. How to simplify the fractions? Take the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. So by that number you have to divide antecedent and consequent. Multiply with that LCM. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. With that LCM, you have to multiply both antecedent and consequent. 3 ones, 3 fours, 4 ones, 4 threes. So you will get 28 is to 39. 13 threes, 39. Now I got simplified form. First, what did I tell you? You have to find the sum of these two terms in the ratio. Sum of terms in the ratio. If you add, what will you get? 28 plus 39. How much? 67. Right? 67. Okay. So I am going to divide this 268 into two parts. So first part. What is the first part here? What is the first number in the ratio? 28 upon addition 67 into what is our number there? 268. Okay. Clear? So how do we divide the number? 28 by together how much? 28 plus 39, 67 into 268. Okay. So 67 ones, 67 fours. You can cut. So 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. Second part means what is the second number in the ratio? 39 upon 67 into 268. 67 ones, 67 fours. 4 9s are 36, 4 3s are 12 plus 2. Sorry, 12 plus 3, 15. Right? 268. Together we are getting 268, right? So therefore required parts are 112 and 156. So what did I do first here? Simplify the given ratio. Find out the sum of terms in the ratio. 28 plus 39. We are getting 67. So I am going to divide this 268 into two parts. First part, what is the first term in the ratio? 28 upon together how much we have? 67 into which number we are going to divide? 268. So 67 ones are, 67 fours are, right? 112. Similarly, what is the second part here? 39 upon 67 into 268. 156. So required parts are 112 and 156. The same way third model also, third problem also. I'll tell you, see once. Okay. Look at the third one. What is the ratio here? Third one. Third solution. What is the given ratio? 2 1 by 2 is to 1 1 by 2. Here also we are given mixed fractions. Change it. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Right? So I will take the LCM of 2 and 2. What is the LCM of 2 and 2? 2 only. So multiply both the antecedent and consequent with that LCM. 2. Since the LCM of 2 comma 2 is 2. So multiplying antecedent and consequent with 2. So we will get 5 is to 3. Right? Now I am going to divide this 72 into two parts. Okay? So what is the first part here? First I will find out sum of the terms in the ratio. Sum of terms in the ratio equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Okay? So I am going to divide now first part. How do you get first part? What did I tell you? What is the first term in the ratio? 5 upon together is 8 into 72. 8 9s are 72. 9 5s are 45. Second part. What is second part here? What is the second number in the ratio? 3 upon 5. Sorry, 3 upon together 8 we have into 72. So 8 9s are. Together you see 72, right? Therefore required parts are 45 and 27. Okay? This is the way we have to do it. Fourth one, also same model. Look at the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Solution. Given ratio 2:3:4, right? Sum of terms in the ratio equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9, right? Now I want to divide this 81 into 3 parts. How do you get first part? First part equal to, what is the first term in the ratio? 2 upon 9 into, total sum is 9 into which number I am going to divide? 9. So 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18. Second part. What is the second number in the ratio? 3 upon 9 into 81. 9 9s are, so 9 3s are 27. Third part. What is the third term in the ratio? 4 upon 9 into 81. 9 9s are. If you add these 3, 81, right? Therefore required parts are, so direct problem this, 18, 27, 36. Together we will get 81. Simple. First find out the sum of the terms in the ratio 2 plus 3 plus 4. To get the first part, what is the first number here? 2 upon together 9 into 81. Similarly, second term is 3 by 9 into 81. Third number is 4 by 9 into 81. So you will get the required terms here. Okay. Similarly, fifth one also. So fifth one is given here. Fifth solution. What is given? 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Since they are in the fractions, we have to take LCM of 2, 3, 4. So what is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? 12. By that 12 we have to multiply throughout the ratio. So 1 by 4 into 12. Since the LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. Okay. So it will be simplified now. 2 6 are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are. So 6 is to 4 is to 3. This is simplified form. Whenever we are given the fractions, take the LCM of denominators and the ratio should be multiplied by that LCM. Okay. Then now find out the sum of terms in the ratio. Sum of terms in the ratio equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3, 13. Right? Clear? Now, I want to divide this 10,400 rupees into A, B and C, among A, comma, B and C. So, share of A, how much A gets? Share of A equal to A parts, how many we have here? 6 upon total parts 13 into rupees 10,400. Is that clear? I am going to divide this 10,400 rupees into A, B, C, right? Share of A equal to, A has got 6 parts here, 6 by total parts 13 into rupees 10,400. So 13 8s are 104, 2 zeros as it is. So how much A gets here? 6 8s are 48, 4800 A gets. Now share of B. How much B gets here? How much B is going to get? B parts how many we have? 4 upon 13 into rupees 10,400. So 13 8s are 4 8s are 32. So 3200. Share of B is over share of C. C parts how many? 3 by 13 into rupees 10,400. So 13 8s are. Is that clear? 3 8s are 24. 2400. Therefore, answer is share of A rupees 4,800, share of B rupees 3,200, share of C rupees 2,400. So A gets this much, B gets this much, and C gets this much. Together how much you will get? Here 70 plus 24. 80 plus 24, 104, right? So answer is correct. Clear? So we will see some more problems in the next class. Practice well. Okay? Thank you.